What are you doing? Are you okay?
No. Give me power.
What power? I mean, that taking picture for Instagram, is that some kind of appreciation?
For themselves.
Where are we going?
Smells so bad. Did you smell something bad?
Oh, your feet! Yeah. Smells so bad.
No, seriously. This area smells bad.
Did you brush your teeth this morning? But oh. Let's get you some water. Really important. Drink water. Hydrate. H2O.
รางวัลที่ 1 อะไรอย่างเงี้ย
Drinking water. Drinking water. She buy this bottle of water for drinking. Yes. She just pay with the money. What do you think of this statement?
Yeah, but his wife don't know that he's come here.
It's my car. Get in.
Open for me.
So many sex toys around here.
Yeah, but it's illegal.
Yeah.
Illegal in Thailand. You can't sell sex toy.
Faster. No pressure, but I am waiting. Here we go. Yes. Finally.
Can you leave?
Can you leave?
Yeah, can you leave?
Okay, instead of look at your phone, look at the money. Maybe there's money on the floor. The event that we're gonna go now is gonna be like this. Everyone gonna be like this. We're gonna see a lot of people taking a picture for Instagram. Okay, we are walking to the light thingy. Yes.
Wait a minute.
What?
I'm not sure the way, but it's supposed to be a big Thailand post station, remember? With a big building.
But there's a lot of people.
I see a lot of people look like hipster. Can we follow the hipster? Where is hipster?
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, sorry. Really nice light. Ooh, yeah. Yes.
So what is people try to go inside?
You wanna go inside? How long we have to wait here? Nice place for Instagram. Yes, that is why everyone is here. For Instagram. Just like in the book.
Can read.
See you next life.
There is no neckline.
You say I'm beautiful? I have no makeup on.
Who do this? Still.
I do this. Nobody do that. So just me.
Photo.
Okay, I'm not like a Instagrammer where they act like cool, you know. I don't know how to act cool.
Hi.
Hey.
People see like you like.
อ้าว I can't see shit.
ใช่ อันนี้บอยไฟ
โอ้ถ่ายรูป
Hello, I'm Boyfriend of North Korea.
ไม่รอใช่ เห็นแบบบางที่ก็เป็นแบบเนี้ย
What are you guys talking about?
นี่ก็แบบกลับ
I don't understand Thai.
ไม่ขึ้น
understand Thai 9 มกรา90อ่ะมีงานเกมโชว์Thailandเกมโชว์แต่ว่าไม่แน่เพราะครั้งที่แล้วมันมีอันนั้นอ่ะครั้งที่เขาอยู่ในโบว์ลิ่งกันได้ปะแต่ว่าปีนี้ไม่มีใครบอกไม่เลยที่90ไปเจอเดี๋ยวนะว่าไปวันไหนกัน
What are you guys talking about? I don't understand Thai.
I told what the
Ooh, the light, blue light.
Okay, I think if we don't take a photo, we don't have to stay on the line, do we?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Great.
You are taking a picture?
Yeah.
Really nice. Right?
Yeah, it's great.
Hey. Bye bye. Ooh. This is cool, but really hot.
Talk ear to ear, supposed to or tap lightly on the bed. In band, light will respond to yourself. Can you try? I don't know. I don't understand what you're doing.
What?
Hello. I don't know.
What are you doing?
Read how to play.
Hello. What's up? Hello.
Do you see if the light change or no?
Sup? Woohoo. See the light? Good morning, citizens human. We come in peace. Yo, yo, yo. Oh, see the light. Oh yeah, the light. The light. What are you doing? Cat, my best friend forever. What are you doing in the corner? Oh, smell smells so bad. Okay, this room is interesting.
Did?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's good. But I want it to be like completely like closed, but it's still like open. Yes. Yeah, that like goes
It's a light event, really interesting light event. Beautiful, nice. Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Hello. Hi. Excuse me. Sorry. Oh, yeah, it's really beautiful. You wanna do the thing?
No.
Make you look like a dress?
No.
Why not?
I'm shy. If I'm,
I thought your name is
this
Kate.
is like have some nose stuff. Booby. This is a point.
Oh.
We lost.
I thought that you can go out this way. That's it.
Can we?
Where?
Yeah, you can go out on the main road this way. Have you go to the post office yet?
No.
It's so cool. It's like a big place.
This part is like.
What's up, yo? So it's the right way.
Where is Miji though?
Let's follow the hipster. I think that like the hipster go to the light.
And then when you come out, you walk this way, go to the post office. Walk
Okay.
this way. Just keep going, you'll see like post office. Okay. Okay. You will see each other. Okay. Bye.
Bye. Where's that? I can't understand Thai. Oh, whoa.
All the women in Thailand is all hot. You know.
What's up?
Me too, you know.
What? Oh, I mean, yes. Oh, it's really hot. I am also a beautiful woman streamer. Everyone taking a picture. Instagram. What are you doing? Meditation. Sitting Andy. Come on, we just sit for like a second.
And then people see my thing.
Whoa, people see your what? What do you think of this artwork?
I can't feel why people sit around like this. I don't understand.
I have no idea. You want them to sit on the light? On the ball?
Yeah, but
On top of the thing?
what-
It's a really unique Instagram picture. Everyone
It's
taking
very
the same
beautiful,
picture.
by the way. I think they oh my god, they have a flower now. They're open now before it's not open.
Yo, okay, that's awesome.
Yes, it's awesome. But I think like people don't really appreciate the art.
Whoa. Cool. Making a movie.
Oh shit.
Oh, even she got scared. Look cool. Yeah, it look really cool, right? Like a film. Posting a picture for Instagram. I see dead people. Hello. You just spit on me.
Oh, so what is it called?
A fish? A big fish?
It's a fish. It's a wow.
It's a wow.
Whale.
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 Whale. Big whale.
Okay, big whale. You wanna go inside?
Oh. Sponsored by Johnny Walker. Keep walking. You see the artwork?
Yes.
Cool. Bubble. Bubble machine.
Please, put the bubble. Please, bubble.
Is that a cat?
Yes. So cute.
Kitty cat. Okay, so we walk to the right area.
Yes.
This is the way. It's so dark.
They have a light on. By the way,
And the way we go. What is going on? Oh, hello.
I have no idea.
What is going on?
How many hands to clap? Can you help me clap another hand?
Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so scuffed.
It's not working. If you do that too,
Look.
good. You made it.
Is that how it works? They have a dragon. 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 Ooh, really cute.
Very cute.
Get it in the car.
No, they're open.
Get in and drive. Oh, cool.
I think I see something weird, haven't we?
See something weird?
Like my eyes are glitched now. I see like red and yellow.
What do you mean? What do you see?
Me like my eye see the red and yellow. Did you see some red, yellow, green there or no? Or only me? I'm not sure. It's my eye. It's like a rainbow. I see a rainbow. You guys see a rainbow shot? For real, it's like wing in my eye. Like it's like I'm grip. Like bro.
You say you look like a witch?
Yes. Do I?
I don't know. I just see you.
The note is too big.
I look sexy on my side. What? Raining. It's raining.
Photos together.
It's raining. Do you know how to do a bird? Turtle. No. That is all I know how to do.